Want to embed a YouTube video to your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that so your pages can come to life with stunning visuals in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, let's jump in. Head to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, then select All Pages. Choose the page you want to work on. I'm using the example page here, and click Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor opens, decide where you want your video to appear. Then, in the left panel, search for the video widget. You'll see it pop up. Just drag and drop it into your desired section. Now let's bring in your YouTube video. In the editing panel on the left, make sure the source is set to YouTube. Then, simply paste the video URL into the box provided, and your video will appear on the page instantly. Below that, you'll find additional settings like autoplay, mute, loop, and player controls. These let you fine-tune how your video behaves right on your site. Keep in mind that some of these features depend on what YouTube allows. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish in the top right corner. Hit the preview icon next to it to see your changes live on the page. And that's it. That's how easy it is to embed a YouTube video in Elementor. Before we end, just a quick question. Want pro-level web designs without the headache? Elementor makes it super simple, and that's why it's my go-to tool. Check out my affiliate link below to get started. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.